Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be discussing top 5 programming languages in 2023 that are hot in the job market and they can help you land that dream job that you desire. So yeah, coming in at number 5 on our list is Python. Python has been favorite among developers for years and its popularity continues to soar. Python is known for its simplicity and versatility. It is basically a really fantastic language to learn if you are just starting out. It's basically used in wide range of applications from web development to data science and machine learning as well, and this all makes Python a very valuable asset for any job seeker in 2023. So at number 4, we have JavaScript. JavaScript is basically the backbone of web development, and with the growth of online businesses and web applications, the demand for JavaScript developers is at an all-time high. So learning JavaScript will open multiple doors to countless opportunities in front-end and back-end development as well, making it an essential language for you guys to have in your toolkit. So moving on to number 3, we have Java. So as you guys all know, Java has been a stalwart in the programming world for decades, right? And it shows no signs of fading away. It's basically widely used in enterprise level applications, Android app development, and even in promising field for microservices as well. So yeah, learning Java can significantly increase your employability and job prospects in 2023. So yeah, now let's talk about number 2 on our list, Go, also known as Golang. Go is relatively a new programming language created by Google and is gaining rapid traction in the industry. It's basically very famous for its efficiency, simplicity, and excellent support for concrete programming. So with the rise of cloud computing and microservices architecture, Go is a really valuable language to learn for those looking to secure high-paying jobs. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is Rust. So why I chosen Rust at the top? That's really interesting. Rust is basically a systems programming language that has been making waves in the tech world due to its focus on safety and performance. It's basically used in projects like Mozilla Firefox and is a top choice for developing secure and reliable software. As cybersecurity concerns continue to grow, Rust developers are in high demand right now, making it one of the hottest languages to learn in 2023. So yeah, there you have it, the top 5 programming languages in 2023 that can help you land a job in the tech industry. So yeah, whether you choose Python, JavaScript, Java, Go, Rust, or any other language, it's really important to remember that the key to success is not just mastering the language and learning that particular language, but also building real-world projects and continuously improving your skills. So yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.